Have you ever watched a movie and thought to yourself, these characters touch each other quite a lot? Then you start to wonder, what if they became a couple? Boy, I think that would be really hot. And then before you know it, you've made up a whole big story about what would happen if they hooked up. Your entire life's about them now. You've become obsessed somehow. You've become a shipper just like us. And once you accept that, you will find out that everything is better with shipping. Everything is better with some good old-fashioned slash. You might even make it better all with a little hetero, but everyone knows that shipping's where it's at. And you can't have one ship now, you've got to have many. You've got them for all your favorite shows, and you're thinking that eventually with this much crazy chemistry they've got to get together, you just know. But the powers that be are all conspiring against you, sinking your ships left and right. What does anything else matter when your ship will not be canon? You read fan fiction to make it through the night. And now you found out that it's totally true that everything is better with shipping. Everything is better with some good old-fashioned slash. You might even make it better all with a little hetero, but everyone knows that shipping's where it's at. You ship characters who never talked. You ship cousins and brothers. You ship threesomes, foursomes, OT5s. Everybody should be lovers. The path of a shipper's life is never easy. There will always be sadness and tears. But remember, online you will always find shippers who share all your feels. 'Cause everything is better with shipping. Everything is better with some good old-fashioned slash.